Hello, my name is Wendy Rodriguez. We are the group number 1 and we are going to expose about the economic impact in Honduras due to COVID-19. During last months, the Honduran nation has suffered the social and economic effects caused by COVID-19, a pandemic that began in the city of Wuhan, in the center of China. On March 11, the first 2 cases were confirmed in Honduran territory, which at this point the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 as a pandemic, and the there is still no effective medical treatment to fight the different symptoms present by the carriers of the virus in order to eradicate it. This is keeping the world in general terrified. Notorious impact in economy that this pandemic has generated on the development of Honduras has been greatly weakening during the last few months to the vital sectors in economic activity, such as agriculture and the labor sector, evidencing the limited capacity of the nation's health system.
Okay, good night. Hello to everybody. My name is Mario Rodriguez, and I'm here to talk about the vulnerable health system in Honduras about the COVID-19. Okay, here I go. The economic impact in Honduras is evident. In the course of a few months enduring, the pandemic and the confinement derived from it. According to FOSDE 2020, the Honduran health began fighting the virus with only 130 intensive care units and no more than 100 mechanical fans, exhibiting a low level of preparation and capacity. That is the deficit in our country, guys, because Honduras is a curved state, maybe. Respond to the exponential growth of the virus already presented in other countries with better health system, like China, for example. And next, I'm going to show you some picture of the deficient health system in Honduras, because the corruption. For example, people, if you can see this new, you can see the a lot of how many people is out from the mobile hospital. Can you see that? And the topic new is this: the pandemic strike with really forced Honduras without the medicine to control that sick.
Hi, my name is Marilyn Nicole Ordóñez Bautista. Unsustainable externalities. In recent years, Honduras has been characterized by having one of the most dynamic economies in Central America. However, the COVID-19 pandemic comes at a time of economic slowdown. According to preliminary figures, the country closed 2019 with economic growth close to 7%, a figure well below as observed in previous years. Recent projections from Echelon 1, the World Bank 2, and the ANF3 estimate negative variation in the order 6.1% and 5.8% and 2.1% of GDP en 2020, respectively based on data provided by the Office of Communication and Presidential Strategy. In May 19, the death rate due to COVID-19 in Honduras rise to 5%, remaining one of the highest death rise due to the virus in the entire region. Despite the increase in external debt in accordance with the Central Bank of Honduras BCH at the end of March 2020 accumulated a balances of 9.737.4 million, 29% percentual with respect to GDP, resulting from the use of 240.4 million of the use 5.031 million less payment of capital for use 290.7 million, coupled with a favorable exchange variation that decreased the total balance by 20.6 million.
Hello, my name is Olvin Josué Cerrito Vargas, and I am going to explain to you about the economic impact that the COVID had in agriculture sector. The Honduran agriculture sector has been significantly impacted by COVID, but in terms of export and national supply, producer of the National Agriculture Report losses of 17%. The reason is clear: they cannot effectively distribute their product to the cessation of work in a large number of restaurants due to prevent Keinofan. Further, externally made export products such as coffee have suffered the effect of the crisis to the close of borders. National Coffee Organization mentioned that its short-term question outside the home is increasing significantly due to quarantine applying in a large number of countries of because and was companies that imported in large Canadian source of hotel restaurants have stopped giving. The result present by the IQ explained that 1% decline in GPA growth is linked to the decrease in world demand for coffee.
Hello, my name is Eunice. I sure will do about the relevant policies. Policies to the health combats problems such as sulfurs, bar, microbes incorporate by facility and cards wall and credits channel the largest than the remembers and positions. Their business in addition to the central bank providing lyrical to the economy during time of crisis by luring the legal resource and using the imperial or the grain rights and the short of rivers to support measures and not leaves as the education of young and children who represent the future of the nation in addition to the creation of health programs and projects for broader and international entities, and above it, since the value of the habitat be strained, the great system recurrence of credit obtained in the transparent way to prevent and combat the immunologic effect of the virus.
Good afternoon, my name is Victoria Fernandez. I'm going to talk a little about the increase on the employment that has caused in coronavirus in Honduras. The labor sector has been one of the most affected by COVID-19 in the Honduras economy. Due to the work stoppage as a result of the closure established as the prevention and healthy standard by the state. Some companies have chosen to fire or terminate their contract to your employees but not during the effect. Integrated to the high level of layoffs, the country's economy has been severely affected by the process of uncertainty. The micro, small, and medium enterprise are gone through which had been the most affected and with the hands reached in bankruptcy. Which is alarming for national development is one take into account that this contribute of the 14% of the PAV and more than 70 of the jobs in Honduras. Alarming data and the denominated dark scenario for the labor sector, which could translate into an excessive growth in the unemployment rate in Honduras. This is all. Thanks for your attention.